Good morning, students. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This is the 72nd Republic Day, and on this occasion, we have planned a fun learning quiz for you all. So gear yourself up and get ready to answer the questions.
A very happy Republic Day to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And why do we celebrate Republic Day? Does anyone know?
Because it was Constitution made.
Yes, and what is a constitution?
A set of rules and regulations.
Right. A constitution is a set of rules and regulations on the basis of which our country functions, right? Like there are rules and regulations in a game we play, right? So that it creates a basis for us to play. So similarly, our country also has set of rules, and those set of rules are called constitution, on which our country functions, right? Okay.
Yes.
And what is the meaning of republic?
Ma'am, ma'am, we are a republic, ma'am, because we are free from foreigners.
We are republic because we select our own representatives. We select our own representatives. We select our own leaders. That is why we are republic. Our country, there is no king and queen in our country, right? Is there any king or queen in our country who rules our country? No. So we vote and select our own representatives. We vote and select our own leaders. So that is why we are a republic nation, right? So on this very day, our constitution came into force, right? Those rules which you said, our constitution came into force, and which is why we celebrate Republic Day. And which Republic Day is it this year?
Ma'am, 72.
Very good. It's 72nd Republic Day. Very good. Now, let's know more about our country. I'll ask you the questions class-wise, class 3, class 4, class 5, and then 6 to 8 will have one set of questions, right? So, first we'll take from class 3. If first question is Charminar, you all know what is Charminar? Charminar is located in which? But you don't talk. Charminar. Very good. And where is Hyderabad? Hyderabad is in Telangana. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was for class 3. Now class 4. Which freedom fighter gave the slogan, "It is blood alone that can pay the price of freedom. Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? Which freedom fighter, class 4?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Very good. So who said this? Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose said that it is blood alone that can pay the price of freedom. You give me blood and I will give you freedom. Okay? So next question, class 5. This monument, okay, it's about a monument. This monument is the tallest minaret in the world, built of bricks, situated in Mehrauli, New Delhi. It's a very tall monument.
Minar.
Very good. Who said this? Who said this? Very good. Good, very good. Even Manasvi answered. Good. Good, you guys have prepared. Very good. 6. Okay, classes 6 to 8. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of our constitution? There was a drafting, जब हमारे constitution बन रहा था, there was a drafting committee. Who was the chairman of that? Very good. Who said this?
Ma'am, Taru Sharma.
Very good. Good. So, B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the committee. Class 3. Dash is a popular state which is known for its beauty and splendor and also known as Devbhoomi. Which state of India is known as Devbhoomi?
Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand.
No. Somewhere near Uttarakhand.
Ma'am,
Dehradun.
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Very good, Sia. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is known as Devbhoomi. And why Himachal Pradesh is known as Devbhoomi?
Because there is
What is the meaning of Dev?
Ma'am Bhagwan.
Ma'am, God.
And Bhagwan,
God.
land of God, land of God. And why is it known as land of God? Because there are many temples located in Himachal Pradesh. There are many temples there. So which is why it is known as Devbhoomi. Okay, so if anyone asks you what is which state is known as Devbhoomi, it's Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Okay, class 4. Inqilab Zindabad was coined by which freedom fighter? Class 4.
Ma'am,
Inqilab Zindabad. Who said this?
Ma'am Bhagat Singh.
Very good. Inqilab Zindabad was coined by Bhagat Singh. And what is the meaning of Inqilab Zindabad? What is the meaning of Inqilab Zindabad? It means long live the revolution. Class 5. The Prime Minister visits Dash in Delhi to pay tributes to the Amar Jawan Jyoti, following which the Republic Day parade starts. Very good.
India Gate.
India Gate. Ma'am, India Gate.
So our Prime Minister visits India Gate, right?
India Gate.
There he pays tribute to the Amar Jawan Jyoti and then the Republic Day parade starts. Good. Classes 6 to 8. Name the 2 languages in which our constitution is handwritten. Our constitution was handwritten, right?
English.
Very good. Good, Trine. Hindi and English. Us 3. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Only class 3. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Very good. And Mumbai को पहले क्या बोलते थे?
Bombay.
Very good. Good. Class 3. Very good. Bombay. Okay. Okay, class 4. Again, it's on freedom fighter. Which freedom fighter led the group of Indian soldiers to stop the use of cartridge? The cartridge which was made out of cow and pig's fat. Which freedom fighter? There was a movie also.
Pandey. Ma'am, Pandey.
Mangal Pandey. Very good. Mangal Pandey. Good, Sia. Good. Mangal Pandey. Good. So the Britishers introduced this cartridge. It was made up of cow and pig's fat, which is why both Muslims and Hindus they hesitated to use that cartridge because of their religious beliefs. Okay? So that is why Mangal Pandey fought for it and he protested against the cartridge. कि हम ये cartridge नहीं use करेंगे. All right. Moving on to class 5. Again, it's about a monument. Dash is a memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi in Delhi, India. It is a black marble platform that marks the spot of Gandhi's cremation. On 31st January 1948, after his assassination.
Rajghat.
Very good. Good, Panav. Rajghat. Good. So, Rajghat is a memorial which is dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi. And this memorial is in Delhi. And it is black in color. The platform where he is cremated is black in color. Okay. Classes 6 to 8. How many years did it take to complete the Constitution of India?
Ma'am, 2 years.
Very good, Janvi. 2 years. It took 2 years for them to complete the Constitution of India. Dash is the capital of Uttarakhand. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Class 3 only. Very good. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Good. Class 3, very good. Good. Class 4 now. Again, it's about freedom fighter. The BR in the name of BR Ambedkar stands for. What is the full form of BR in B.R. Ambedkar? B.R. Ambedkar. Huh? Yes, Anvi. Very good. Bhimrao and what? Very good. B.R. in the name of B.R. Ambedkar stands for Bhimrao. Okay. So unka full name is Bhimrao Ambedkar. And who was Bhimrao Ambedkar?
I'm the father of Constitution.
Very good. And why is he known as the father of Constitution?
Because he is the one who made the Constitution.
Yes, because he was the chairman of the drafting committee. Yes, because he was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution. Good. Now, class 5. Every year on Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the Indian tricolor flag at this monument, main gate, and delivers a speech.
लाल किला.
Red Fort. Good.
Red Fort.
Every year Republic Day में कौन करते हैं? Republic Day में Prime Minister and Independence Day में कौन करते हैं? Independence Day में the
President.
yes President
and Prime Minister.
Right. The President hoists the national flag, and where does he hoist? At the gate of Red Fort. Good. And where is Red Fort?
In Delhi.
Ma'am in New Delhi.
Good, Dandy.
Ma'am in New
6 to 8. Classes 6 to 8. When was a constitution adopted? Not came into force, but adopted. When was it adopted?
November 26. Ma'am, November 26, 1949.
Okay, now class 3. Dispur, class 3 only, okay? Dispur is the capital city of which state? Dispur is the capital city of which state?
Ma'am Manipur.
No, bete. Class 3 only. Assam.
Assam,
Where is the capital city of Assam? And where is Assam located? Where is Assam located? South में or north में? Where is it?
Northeast.
Very good. It's located in it's a northeastern state. It's a northeastern state. Good. Okay, class 4 now. Again, freedom fighter. What is Mahatma Gandhi's first name? Class 4. The first name. Mahatma Gandhi's first name.
Mohandas.
Who said this? Very good, Tejas. Mahatma Gandhi's first name was Mohandas. Okay?
Ma'am
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We say it MK Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. MK Gandhi. Alright? Okay. Class 5. It's again related to a monument. Name the name of the monument means instruments for measuring the harmony of the heavens. The name of जिस monument का ये name है, उसका meaning है instruments for measuring the harmony of the heavens, and it is situated in Delhi. Which monument? It's there in Delhi near CP.
Jantar Mantar.
Who said this?
Ma'am
Who said this,
Pranav.
Pranav? Good. Jantar Mantar. It's the name of the monument. Jantar Mantar का meaning है instruments for measuring the harmony of heavens. 6 to 8. Where is the original copy of the Indian Constitution located?
Ma'am,
Where is the
ma'am, Parliament House.
Very good. Parliament of India. In Parliament of
Ma'am
India. Parliament of India. So the original copy of our Indian Constitution is located in the Parliament of India. Okay, remember. Okay. Then class 3. Class 3. Which state is known as the land of rising sun?
Uttarakhand.
No. Class 3 only, okay? Which state is known as the land of Very good, Arunachal Pradesh. And why is it known as the land of rising sun?
Ma'am, because ma'am, it is bordered by Bhutan in the west, China in the
Because
northeast.
the first rays, it receives the first rays of the sun, which is why it is known as the land of rising sun. Alright? Okay.
Yes.
Now moving on to class 4. Which freedom fighter is known as the Nightingale of India or Bharatiya Kokila? So this freedom fighter is known as the Nightingale of India या फिर उन्हें भारतीय कोकिला भी कहते हैं. Class 4.
Ma'am,
Class 4. Which freedom fighter is known as the Nightingale of India or Bharatiya Kokila? Class 4. Okay, Tarush.
ma'am, Sarojini Naidu.
Very good. Sarojini Naidu is the freedom fighter जिन्हें Nightingale of India कहते हैं. We call her Nightingale of India or we call her Bharatiya Kokila. Okay.
Bharatiya Kokila से
Class
याद.
5. Good. Class 5. Where is class 5? Okay. This monument is located near the expansive Pragati Maidan. The Delhi Zoo is also adjoining it. Only class 5. The Delhi Zoo is also there. Which monument is it? Near Pragati Maidan.
Old Fort.
Delhi Zoo is there. Yes, Old Fort. Old Fort के पास बेटा, Old Fort से adjoining ही there is zoo also and there is boating also. Okay, so Old Fort is yes, it's Old Fort. Okay, classes 6 to 8. How many articles are presently there in our constitution? Class 6 to 8 only. Present में. How many articles are presently there in our constitution? Presently. Not originally but presently.
Ma'am, 395.
No,
395.
that was originally. वो शुरू में थे. Those were revised to the numbers increased. How many articles are presently there in our constitution?
448. 542.
Very good. 448. 448. Trinity said it right.
470.
448. 448.
Yes, ma'am. 448 ही होगा.
Yes, Trinity said it right.
Ma'am, 448.
There are 448 articles in our constitution presently. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Originally, how many were there? Original, how many?
Ma'am, 375.
300.
Ma'am, 375.
Okay. Class 3. Only class 3, okay? Which state is known as the sugar bowl of India? This state is known as the sugar bowl of India. What is the name of the state?
Uttar Pradesh.
Very good. Good, Arnav. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is known as the sugar bowl of India. Why is it known as the sugar bowl of India? Why is it known as the sugar bowl of India?
Sugar cane.
Because there is maximum production of sugar cane. Okay, there's maximum production of sugar cane and there are a lot of sugar mills there. So which is why Uttar Pradesh is known as the sugar bowl of India. Okay, then class 4. This is for class 4, again related to a freedom fighter. This freedom is known as Punjab Kesari. This freedom fighter is known as Punjab Kesari. Only class 4.
Singh.
Huh? Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai. Lala Lajpat Rai is known as Punjab Kesari. People very commonly called him Punjab Kesari. Okay, class 5. Moving on to class 5 without wasting time. We have only 10 minutes. Okay, class 5. It is an arc monument built during 20th century in Bombay, India. Bombay is presently known as Mumbai. It is located on the waterfront at Apollo Bandar area and at the end of Chhatrapati Shivaji Marg in South Mumbai. And it overlooks the Arabian Sea. And it is also known as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai. Which monument is this?
Gateway of India.
Gateway of India.
Gateway of India.
Good.
Gateway of India.
Gateway of India. It's located, it overlooks the Arabian Sea and it is also known as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai. In Mumbai, people call them that this is our Taj Mahal. Okay, moving on to classes 6 to 8. He is recognized as the father of Constitution. You just answered this. Who is known as the father
Ma'am,
of
B.R. Ambedkar.
Why? Because he was the chairman. Yes, because he contributed a lot to the formation of Constitution and also he was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution. Good. Class 3, it is related to states. In which state Hawa Mahal is located? In which state Hawa Mahal is located? Jaipur. And where is Jaipur? Jaipur is in Rajasthan. So Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Good. Class 4. Class 4, freedom fighter, okay? She was an Indian queen of the state of Jhansi in North India. Dressed as a man, she fought a fierce battle and was killed in the combat. She was the Indian queen of the state of Jhansi.
Can I tell?
No, class 4 only. Very good. Rani Lakshmi Bai, which is also known as Jhansi Ki Rani. Right? That is why you call her Jhansi Ki Rani. So Rani Lakshmi Bai, she dressed as a man and she fought a battle. Okay? So, and also she is the queen of Jhansi. She's in North India. Okay. Class 5. These are the caves. It's related to a monument. These are the caves located in the Western India on Elephanta Island, Mumbai. It contains collection of rock art linked to the cult of Shiva.
Elephanta Caves.
Elephanta Caves. It's Elephanta Caves. These are the Elephanta Caves. They are located on an island. The way is through Mumbai. Okay, and it contains collection of rocks which is linked to Shiva. Okay, which is linked to Shiva the god. Okay, Elephanta Caves. Now class 6 to 8. Constitution. The dash in our constitution starts with "We the people" and talks about equality, liberty, fraternity and secularism. It's preamble, the preamble of a constitution. The preamble starts with "We the people" and the preamble of a constitution talks about the equality, the liberty and secularism. Okay, it's fine. Class 3 related to states. Okay, Gangtok is the capital of which state? Who said this? Who said Sikkim? Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Good. Class 4. Class 3 is all ready. They are all charged with energy. They're giving the right answers. Class 4. This freedom fighter was the first Prime Minister of India. Class 4. Only class 4. First Prime Minister of India. Huh? President nahi. Prime Minister.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was a freedom fighter who also became the first Prime Minister of India. Good. Class 5. Class 5. Again related to monument. Again it's related to monument. It is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat, India. It's a statue of Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat. What is the name?
The Statue of Unity.
Statue of
Very
Unity.
good. Good, Krishna. It's Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is a huge statue of Vallabhbhai Patel and it's in Gujarat. Okay, it's in Gujarat. Okay, class 6 to 8. Class 6 to 8. Mr. Narendra Modi is the dash Prime Minister of India. Pratham knows the answer. What is the answer, Pratham?
14th Prime Minister.
Yes, 14th Prime Minister. Mr. Narendra Modi is the 14th Prime Minister of India. Okay, 14th Prime Minister. Everyone remember. Renee, remember. Yes. Okay, class 3. Okay, this is the last set of question I'm asking. Starting from class 3. Only 3 minutes are left. Class 3. This state is the birthplace of Gandhi.
Gujarat.
Very good. Good, Nora. It's Gujarat. This place is the Gujarat is the birthplace of Gandhi. Gandhi was born in Gujarat. Good. Good, Gujarat. Okay. Class 4. Last question. For class 4. He was the composer of Vande Mataram, the national song of India. He composed Vande Mataram. Who composed Vande Mataram? No. Composed Vande Mataram.
Bankim
Chatterjee. Yes, it was for class 4, but good, Stanstuti. It's Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee composed our national song. And what is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Remember, the national song of India is Vande Mataram, who was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, class 5. Last question for class 5. Where are Ajanta caves situated? In what state?
Mumbai.
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 Maharashtra.
And where is Mumbai?
Maharashtra.
Very good. It's Maharashtra. Okay. How many articles? Class 6 to 8. How many articles in our constitution were there originally? Shuru mein.
I'm 375.
No, 395.
375.
You said it wrong there also. It's 395. 395 articles were there originally. And then later they were increased to 448. So presently it's 448. Originally they were 395. That time also you were saying it wrong. 395. It is 395. Okay? Okay. So we end with this. The time is almost up. Less than 1 minute is left. Thank you all for joining. I hope you learned something. I hope you will remember this. At least a few you will remember. Thank you all. Wish you a very, very happy Republic Day. Enjoy yourselves and be safe. Okay?
Ma'am, the quiz was very informative and we learned lots of new things from it. Thank you, ma'am.